Hello everyone. We would like to write a program that collects and calculates the average score of students in an exam. To do that, we first declare a vector of type integer named scores, and we have one integer called score and one integer called number of students, so num students. So first we are showing the user a message saying that give me the number of students. So when it gives us the number of a student, we are going to have a for loop to read all the student numbers. So I is going to start from 0 until it is lower than the number of students. So if the user is going to say that we have 3 students, we would like to discuss 3 students. So I is going to be 0, 1, and 2. And as long as I is lower than 3, it's okay. So we will have 3 iterations from 0 to 2, and we are asking the user to give us the score of the first student, of the second student, and the third student in the first run in each iteration. So just assume that I equals 0. Now we're getting the score of the first student. So the user enters, we store it in score, and then we are pushing back this score into the scores vector. So let me type it down. So when I equals 0, getting the score of student 1. So the vector, so now we're getting the number from the user. Just imagine user enters 100. So 100 is assigned to the integer score. Then this scores vector is now push back that score integer, or let's say in the first run it is 100. Okay, and then I equals 1, getting the score of student 2. User, just imagine user enters 98, score equals 98 now. So scores vector dot pushback, it's going to push back 98. And then I equals 2, getting the score of student 3. User enters, just imagine 99. So score is now 99. This score is this score. So we're storing it here. Okay, and scores vector pushback is now 99. So basically we are pushing back 3 elements to the scores vector, and then we would like to collect the scores that we did, and we would like to calculate the average. To do that, we have one integer called sum that is initialized to 0, and we have a for loop, like we have an integer called s. It is iterating over all the elements of the scores vector. Okay, and then it is going to add all the elements to this of this vector to each other. So sum plus equal s. This simply means sum equals sum plus s. Okay, so sum initially is 0. So when in the first iteration we have sum equals 0 plus the first number, which is 100. Then in the second iteration we have sum equal, so from the previous run we had the sum equal 100. Now it is 100 plus the second score, which is 98, sorry. This is what we imagine that the user mentioned. And in the third iteration, because there are only 3 elements in the vector, so there will be only 3 iteration. So sum equals 198, which is from the output of the previous run, plus 99. Okay? So when we do the math, it should be equal to 297. And then when this for loop is finished, so we have calculated the sum of the scores, which is 297. Then we have a double initialized here called average, and it is typecasting the value of the sum to be a double rather than an integer. So because we want to divide it to the size of the vector, and it may have some decimals. So we typecast the sum to a double from int, and then it is divided by the size of the vector, which is the total number of students. So it could also be divided to this num students, because this is exactly the number of students equals the size of the vector. So then we are printing the average. Let me run. So basically it says enter the number of students. We are here. I will write 3. So it says that it enters this part, and it is saying that enter the score for the first student 0. We have here I plus 1 because it's the first student having the index 0. We don't want to show the student 0 here. We would like to show student 1. So I plus 1 showing that the index plus 1, 0 plus 1. So because it starts from 0. So the first student, we say 100. And then it says the second student, I would say 98. The third student, I would say 99. And it says the average is 99. So we are calculating the sum here and then the average here. It's a very basic example. It's a very good coding exercise, however, because it reviews many things in this small example. We reviewed typecasting, we reviewed a for loop and using the summation to have all the elements of a vector. We reviewed how to iterate over a vector, and we reviewed the pushback uh, syntax function for the vectors here. Thank you for watching.